Please, you're welcome.
It's now my money again.
I can see.
Now something good now. Go just you have to advertise. You go say you dey pass this go. We make them just come meet this man. This na to the. I don't want drink beer. This to the gods of Gungu. This to the gods of Kwagh Hir.
For a good show, please. Make we cheers before you give my elders drink.
We tell the others we are come to meet the TV's people. These two TV's elders. You get in the village. This is TV's elders. This is to the Gungu. This is to Zaki Beleke itself. You understand? For accepting us in his community. I get it. And this is to the gods of Kwagh Hir. And to the
no ways up and wine.
Cool down.
No ways up and wine.
This is the gods of Kwagh Hir and the good spirit that as we have come, that this Kwagh Hir thing we are about to do that's going to bring good to this community. Make it work for us.
Cheers.
Here is Gungu Main, town of Afraid Libya.
Oh boy.
We are going to eat some legendary powdered yam. And this powdered yam comes with the legendary yam yolk. Just so you know it. Understand? We ordered 2 chickens to the meal. The journey to drink one, but yeah, it's worth it.